Welcome to Arjun's Universe.
Hi guys, today we'll see how to make faces of the moon on Oreo Biscuit. Do you know the fact that the moon doesn't have its own light? The sunlight from the sun is hitting the moon and bouncing off to Earth. Anyway, first we start with the new moon. How to make new moon means we have to take Oreo biscuit, then we have to open it, then you see the white stuff, we have to keep it aside, then there's like this. Then, now, this is the new moon. And do you know that the new moon is always between Earth and the sun? After a few days, it grown and became into a waxing crescent, and also called as a crescent moon. Crescent moon. And how to make this means you have to make it as a banana shape and just tear it. How much white stuff is there left? You have to take it out like this. Now look, the crescent moon is here. So let's keep it. Okay, I'm going to put the dust in here. So next, after a few days, it grown and became into a half moon. For the half moon, we have to cut a half pizza. Like a half pizza, we have to cut like this, straight. Then I'm going to cut it. Then I'm going to take, I think I should take it here, I think. Oh God, how to take it? Okay, like that you also have to do. Oh God. So I'm going to keep it here. Then now, after a few days, it became into gibbous moon. For the gibbous moon, we have to take the banana shape out of it. After a few days, it became into the full moon, the beautiful and the brightest face. After now, we are going to the waning. Waning means shrinking and waxing means growing. Now, starting the waning place, we're starting with the waning gibbous. So, now let's keep it here. Okay. So, after that, we go to the before over here we call the plus the half as a first quarter. Now we are calling it as a third quarter. So let's cut this. Then this first time we cut it here. Now we are cutting in the side where we cut it before. And boop, I got it. Now is the third quarter. And finally, my all-time favorite. I think that's my one. No, this is not my all-time favorite. But it is. It's the waning crescent. So let's keep this boy like this, opposite. In the waning place, it's opposite actually, guys. Like everything is opposite in this side. This side, this is opposite look. So like that. I hope you guys like my video.